Hello everyone. Today you will recite a poem with me, okay? So let's start. Do you know the fruit seller who comes in the lane? Do you know the fruit seller who comes in the lane? Yes I know the fruit seller who comes in the lane. Do you know the fruit seller who comes in the lane? Yes I know the fruit seller who comes in the lane. What did he bring? He brought mango, apple, banana. He brought mango, apple, banana, orange. Yes I know the fruit seller who come in the lane. Okay, now tell me, what do we do with apple, mango, banana, orange? What are these? Yes, these all are fruits and we eat all the things to eat, right? Now tell me, do we eat all the things? No, we do not eat everything. We eat the things that are only eatables. Okay. For example, banana. Do you eat banana or not? Yes, you eat banana. Biscuit. Yes, you eat biscuit. Now tell me, pencil. Do you eat pencil? No, you don't eat pencil. Orange? Yes, orange is a fruit and we eat it. Very good. Ball? Do you eat ball? No, ball is not eatable. Very good. And here, what is it? Yes, it is fruit jam. What is the use of this? Yes, we eat it with bread. This is also eatable. Very good. Now, let's see the board. Today, we will color the things that we eat. One by one you will tell me. Now you will tell me, what is this? Yes, this is pineapple. Do we eat pineapple? Yes, we eat pineapple. So you will color the pineapple. I am taking the picture that is eatable. Okay. Now what is this? This is pot. And do we eat pot? No, we do not eat pot. Guava. Do we eat guava? Yes, we eat guava. Jam, bread. Yes, we eat bread jam. Very good. Ice cream. Yes, we eat ice cream. Banana. Yes, we eat banana. Book. No, we do not eat the book. Capsicum. Yes, we eat capsicum. It is a vegetable and its color is green. We eat it with potato. Yes, mama make it the vegetable of capsicum and potato for us and we eat it with chapati. Very good. Now tell me, do we eat cap? No, we do not eat cap. Now capsicum we eat, banana we eat, ice cream we eat, bread jam we eat, book we do not eat, pot we do not eat, cap we do not eat, and there are so many things which we do not eat. Here is this is your page number 18 of your maths book. This is your page number 18 of your maths book, kindergarten mathematics. Okay, so you will complete this page. If you do not have book, you will draw these pictures or so many pictures which are eatable or not eatable. You will draw these pictures in your notebook and color those pictures which are eatable. Okay. Bye.